Ouch! I don't know about you, but I always felt like hate was such a strong word. However, this is a common Korean word, so it's important to learn how to use it properly. There are actually two words for hate in Korean. One is more commonly used with people and with things. Do you know which one is which? See if you can guess. I'll tell you the answer after I introduce the two words. My name is Sienna, and today I'll explain how to say I hate you in Korean. Let's get to it. The first word you need to know is 싫어하다. This word in Korean means to hate or dislike. It is usually used when expressing hate or dislike about a person, food, weather, or a situation. 싫어하다 can be conjugated into 싫어해. You can say 나는 너를 싫어해 or I hate you. This is the informal way to say it. If you're speaking to someone older than you or someone who you aren't that close to, you can say 싫어해요. Let's take a look at some other examples. 저는 브로콜리를 싫어해요. This means I hate broccoli. Note that you can use 싫어 instead of 싫어해. Simply drop the 해 at the end and change the particle 을을 to 이가. I'll give you an example. 나는 너를 싫어해 would become 나는 내가 싫어. The second word for hate in Korean is 미워하다. 미워하다 is used to express stronger emotions than 싫어하다. It is commonly used for expressing hate for a person. 미워하다 can be conjugated into 미워해요 for polite and 미워해 for informal. To show you what I mean, here are some examples. 우리는 거짓말을 하는 그 친구를 미워해요. This means we hate that friend who lies. You can use 미워요 instead of 미워해요. Make sure to change the object particle 을을 to 이가. 가끔 장난치는 오빠가 미워요. This means I hate my brother who sometimes jokes with me. 나는 널 미워해. This means I hate you. Instead of 미워해, you can also use 미워. You may say this to a close friend as a joke. Let's say you want to tease your friend. You can say 내가 정말 미워. This literally means I really hate you. It depends on the situation, but sometimes you say I hate you to play a joke. At the beginning of the video, I said that one of these words is more commonly used with people, while the other is more commonly used with things. Can you guess which one is which? If you said 미워해 for people and 싫어해 for things, then you'd be right. If you want to learn more, we have a resource page on I hate you in Korean. It has detailed explanations and examples. I will put a link to that in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button. It lets us know which videos you find helpful so we can make more of them. 다음에 만나요!